Hello everyone, for today's video I will be sharing to you a tips how our privacy and personal information to be safe from our Facebook account. So you heard it correctly, from our Facebook account. So there is sometimes our application might ask us how to install this application via Gmail, Google account or Facebook account. So some uses Facebook account. So if someday your Facebook account will be hacked, this is thing that we must to do. So first we are going to directly into our Facebook account and find this privacy shortcuts, and here we scroll down and find the view or clear your of Facebook activity. So in a while they will ask you a password before you open this one. So just now I use my personal bank accounts and other application that connected into my Facebook account. So my recent activities known by or appeared here in our Facebook account. So when you are thinking how this application or how this recent activity appeared in our Facebook, because this all application is in the separated to our Facebook account. So view and manage activities, and please do it and off it immediately, because this is a summary of the 40-60 apps and the websites that have shared your activity. You can clear your history to disconnect past activity from your account, and turn off future activity to disconnect it into your account. So to be safe, I would rather to suggest you that if you are going to install an application, do not use your Facebook how to log in. Must sometimes use your Gmail account or your Google account. So turn it off, because this Gmail account, Google account is not, it's hard to hack, or it's hard to be used by others. Facebook account is, if you can see in this future generation, many of the hackers are using this how many methods that they are using just to hack your Facebook account. So some of my friends are hacked. So what you need to do is just turn it off one by one, especially your bank accounts and those who have your personal information or money matters. Just turn it off your recent activities here. So I hope guys it will help you. And now while you are watching this, please do it by your own. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel. This is one way to be safe your personal application or individual application from your Facebook account. So in short guys, you may select activity to disconnect, clear history. After you clear your history, just clear it and don't have any recent activities will appear here. Disconnect future activities or select activity to disconnect. So I will choose the disconnect future activity and turn it off, so that no one in my application, if I'm going to open it will not appear into my Facebook account. So guys, do it